Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 4x squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have to ask the ask. First derivative of s squared you got about 2x. Number 4 and number 2 you got about 8. Because we don't have number 8 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. This one we change by u. Ask the s we change by this one. Now 1 over 2 and 1 over 8, that's about 1 over 16, so I will put this one go outside. The integration of cosine u, that is about sine u, and we put about c. About u, that's about 4x squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.